Hello friends, welcome to this course on Python programming, the basics and hands-on. Myself, Rupali Sothi. I have completed my master's degree from Savitribai Phule, Pune University. I have the teaching experience of more than 13 years. I am working as the assistant professor at K. Kewang Institute of Engineering, Education and Research, Nasik. Friends, because of digital transformation and globalization, there are tremendous changes in the world of work. And to cope up with high expectations of marketplace, we will have to learn new skills. We are surrounded by all the smart devices which are intelligent. And this intelligence is immersed into these devices using programming. So what is programming? To tell the machine how to perform a specific task or what to do in particular situation. Friends, there are many programming languages, but Python is a simple yet powerful programming language, so we are going to learn it. There are different Python applications like game development, web development, artificial intelligence, robotics, app development, and many more. So we are going to cover many points in this course, like we are going to start with Python basics. We will see how to install Python software on your device. We will see different variables, different operators. We are also going to see how to run a particular part of program based on some condition, that is conditional execution. Also looping, and we are going to run many exercises on Python software. So welcome to all rising application developers and software engineers to this course. Welcome.